Here we go. Go down to the boys at Train and Pompano Beach. These guys are always good. Milwaukee, these guys don't play around. I knew they meant business. I wish they dropped their prices a little bit, but hey. All right, got a motor, so they brought this in for us in about a day or two. They got it for us nice and quick, so I took apart the panel, took off the whole entire blower assembly, removed the actual assembly itself, and these motors are super easy to change out. I've probably done upwards of close to 50,000 of them at this point because they go bad all the time. When I don't have the motors hooked up to the blower wheel, I just soap everything, get all the dust out, and then just wash it out with the hose. Super easy. And then dry it off with a nice little towel. Hook up the new fan motor, tie it in, make sure it spins. While I have the motor out, I always like to clean the whole entire cabinet. And the reason I do this is because a good contractor is going to warranty all their work for about a year. So if I know the unit's absolutely spotless, I don't have anything to worry about. If he calls me back within a couple months, I know it's a separate issue and it was random. It wasn't anything to do with anything that was clean or dirty. So hook everything back up, got the fan spinning, problem is fixed. Clean off the panels, clean off the insulation, clean off the stands. Took the door outside, so this door closes in on itself. There's no way they can clean it from the back end because it's hooked up. So I just removed all the dust. Plus, I don't want that brand new motor or clean air conditioner sucking in all that dust anyway. Nice and clean. There we go. Go to the outside, remove the fan. I got this new rigid vacuum, which I'm actually pretty impressed with. I hook up this little adapter. It sucks the leaves right out. I don't have to dive head first dangling inside of air conditioners anymore. Make my life easier. Nice and clean. And then with the spine fin coil, I always just like to go around, wash everything out, soap it with some environmentally friendly soap. This is nothing harmful. It's nothing acidic. This is about as close to water as you possibly can get. Rinse everything out, keep it like brand new. And the reason for this is because this sucks in all the time. Clean the outside, make sure it's nice and dry. And there we go.